Okay, let me show you something. This. Okay, so right now I'm in my basement and I perfectly knew the existence of this object, but only like yesterday I noticed it and I was like, what it is? And I have to find out, but first I have to show you, obviously. So this is a coffee machine, kind of, from 50s. This shape, this whole thing, I mean, I perfectly know how it works, but the fact that this thing can make coffee is wonderful. And also, today we are going to find out if this can make a good enough espresso compared to a modern coffee machine, and I will see if it will taste good or not. Yeah. So the first thing I have to do with this coffee machine is to clean it, because I don't really want to drink coffee with melted spiders or webs. I don't know. So let's go. And now we have to make the coffee, so we will need coffee powder and some water and fire. Yeah, that's it. We are pretty much done. Just put this here, put a cup here. We are pretty much done. I mean, yeah. Alright, okay. It was pretty fast. And yeah, let's try it. It smells of nothing. Let's taste it. Cheers. Okay. It doesn't taste like, I mean, I know it's coffee only because I made it. It's so bad. That's enough. So after all of these and these and these, let's make a normal cup of coffee, and I'm sure it will be better than that damn thing. So damn hot, man, but Jesus, this is coffee. Jesus, this is an espresso. Oh yeah. Jesus. Yeah. So The thing that I learned from this experience is that if you find something in your basement or in your grandma's house that is from 50s and that makes food, drinks or something eatable, just don't pick it. Don't pick it and don't try to remake those foods and drinks, because they will not be even close to what we know. I mean, that espresso was not even close to the espresso I know. I mean, I know that was maybe an espresso from 50s, and maybe in the 50s that thing was the maximum expression of coffee, but it's not even close to what I was thinking. So yeah, let's put it back where I found it, and yeah, you're good here. Don't move, don't try to make coffee, don't try to... No, nothing. It was a pleasure.